everyone and welcome back to our channel. So you're using Zoho and you are tired of getting all of the newsletters and videos about constant updates and you don't really have time to watch all of them and to learn about new features. Well, then this video is specifically made for you. I gathered all of the biggest updates within Zoho apps throughout last year to tell you about them so you stay updated. So there's a lot of different enhancements within Zoho apps, but I will tell you specifically about biggest updates that are very useful across different apps. So before we begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful updates that we make every single week. And we will obviously start from the new apps that Zoho has introduced during last year that maybe you never heard about. So let's dive into that. And we're starting off from Zoho Vertical Studio that lets you build, customize, and sell industry-specific applications on top of the Zoho platform. So you can white label the app and its domain, set your own pricing, configure modules and fields for specific industries, set up permissions and workflow automations, build reporting, and sell directly to your customers through Zoho Store. We're moving on to the next new launch of Zoho, which is Zoho Procurement. This is a full end-to-end source-to-pay platform. So we're talking purchase requests, RFQs, vendor bidding, purchase order management, contract management, two-way and three-way invoice matching, budget tracking, and spend reporting, all in one app. It also includes self-service supplier portal where the vendors can bid for RFQs, manage POs, submit invoices, and track their payments. Overall, a great launch from Zoho. Another new app from Zoho is Zoho Domains, where you can search, register, and manage domain names directly inside Zoho ecosystem. It's very easy to use and you can see all of the pricing included through a simple search. And Zoho did not only launch new apps, but also launched new bundle of apps, which is Zoho Project Plus, which combines Zoho projects, sprints, analytics, work drive, and notebook. All in one bundle so you can have the most effective project management. If you want a full overview of this bundle of apps, please let us know in the comments and we will prepare a video of the overview of this new bundle. Moving on to another new launch of Zoho, which is Zoho DAP or Zoho Digital Adoption Platform that lets you build thoughtful in-app flows that offer guidance to help users understand their current steps and assist them in navigating every step of the business process. This reduces errors, saves time, and enables effective product use, and overall it's a great thing for onboarding new employees. And the last new app that I want to mention is obviously Zoho MCP, a newest and most hyped up launch of Zoho, and it is for a reason. So it can help you to connect to your Zoho CRM, desk, books, projects, and other apps to any AI model like Claude, ChatGPT, and custom models to both read data and take real actions. So you can tell an AI agent in natural language, for example, mark this deal as won in CRM and schedule an onboarding call in calendar. And it actually does it. So this is a game changer. We have made an in-depth video about Zoho MCP already and it's on our channel. I will leave the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. If you have tried any of these apps, please share your feedback in the comments down below so others can know how do you find them and if you find them useful. And now we will move on to Zoho CRM. Starting off from Zoho CRM for everyone. This is hands down the biggest CRM update of the year. First of all, Zoho fully changed the UI and also basically opened up the CRM to your entire company, not just sales. Marketing, legal, finance, HR, support, they can all work inside the CRM now using something called team modules and request profiles. Each team gets their own workspace, but everything stays connected, which is huge. The next huge update is Zia Agents. So they are autonomous AI agents that act like digital employees inside your CRM. The star of the show is the SDR agent, which can qualify leads, nurture prospects through email, and only hand them off to human rep when buying intent is high. Zoho also announced a sales coach agent, account manager agent, and more. Plus, with Zia Agent Studio, you can build your own custom agents with no code required. And the last update is account-based marketing. So Zoho CRM got a dedicated ABM module that helps you identify your most valuable accounts and segment them for targeted cross-selling and upselling campaigns. This is a proper suite of tools built into CRM, not just a workaround. So if you're doing B2B sales and you've been using separate tools for ABM, this brings it all under one roof with your CRM data. So Zoho CRM obviously evolves every single year, and there's a lot of useful updates happening and enhancements. But as you can see, I gathered the biggest one. They changed the workflows and the usability of Zoho CRM a lot, and I hope that you enjoyed them. Moving on to marketing apps and see the biggest updates that have been made in marketing apps specifically. So Zoho has launched a new version of Zoho Commerce, Zoho Commerce 2.0, and it got a major performance overhaul with CDN-powered faster storefronts and 15+ new professional themes. And storefront speed directly impacts conversion rates, so faster pages and modern themes mean more sales, which is a great update for Zoho Commerce. Now let's move on to Zoho Analytics and all of the other analytic tools that are within Zoho and see what updates did they get. Starting off strong with Zia Diagnostic Analytics and Multilingual AskZia. So Zia Insight now gives you contextual diagnostics, so not just what happened, but why it happened. And AskZia now works in Spanish and French on top of English. And Zoho also launched Zoho Analytics 6.0 that brings AskZia an agentic AI that lets anyone build pipelines, reports, and dashboards using natural language powered by Zoho owns LLM and OpenAI. The platform adds visual data pipelines, a centralized metrics layer, streaming, analytics, 25+ new connectors, 7+ new chart types, and geomap layering. And now let's move on to projects and service apps that are within Zoho ecosystem. So Zoho has also added Zia into projects and sprints. So Zia can now generate or rewrite task descriptions, do natural language search across all of your projects, auto-generate performance metrics, and translate content into 70+ languages. And why it matters? Because writing task descriptions and searching across projects are two of the most time-consuming PM tasks. And AI can handle both now, which is great news. And we're moving on to Zoho Desk that also now has Zia AI agents that can handle customer support. So resolving tickets, responding to customers, and escalating only when needed, acting as a digital support teammate. They can also analyze the intent and the mood of the customer request to act with support agents accordingly. So that's it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful for you and helped you to stay updated. We will try to make this regularly every single year because, again, I understand how hard it is to keep up with all of the updates, but I truly believe that everyone that uses Zoho needs to know about certain updates that will make your life much easier, as you can see from this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button. And also, if you're interested in Zoho development, implementation, customization, or integration, please feel free to book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box. We'll answer all of your questions and also can make a discovery phase for you so you get the accurate estimate for your project, and then also you can meet our team and see our expertise. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next week's video.